Alright, so hey everyone, how you doing? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Samsung S10 5G. So this is what it came in. It came in this. You see? So it was like this, so I was like, okay, this couldn't be what I think is inside. So we opened it up and we have, a Vodafone 5G SIM card. Some billing stuff. And this.
Oh.
Yes, you can zoom in on that if you want. Yeah, you see?
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is what we got. Samsung S10 5G. No, baby, you have to go off. So we got Samsung. There we go, you can zoom in on that again. Alright, so, are we going to unbox it with a hammer? I don't think so. But I'm going to use this one. So this is the unboxing that we're going to do. Come over here, you can get this down, remove the camera down. Lower, you move down lower, yeah? Alright, so, bismillah. This is the unboxing, how we're going to unbox it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we got that. Okay. Oh, we got some more to unbox here. There we go. I think I can get rid of this one. Okay, so I'm having a hard time. Maybe I may need the machete again. This is taking forever, isn't it? I do need the machete again. Alright, there we go. That was close. Alright. Move that out of the way. You stay over there. Don't come over here. This one there. Alright. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Bismillah. Oh, look at that. So this is it.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. That is it. That's the phone. No. And we have No. This is not for you. This is not for you. You stay out. Over here. The phone's there. We have these headphones. Charger.
Go down.
The charger. I think an adapter. Yeah. And again, the phone. What else is in here? Okay, we have this. And I've seen some other unboxings with tape in it. So, yeah, I don't know. But this is a little menu here. Quick start. So you have that menu. You have the nice fancy box. You have the, of course, the phone. You know, this phone actually does feel kind of nice. It's a bit bigger than my old phone. This is my old phone. iPhone 7. Here, take this. Hold this for data. Thank you. And yeah, it's a bit bigger. And yeah, adapter, charger, headphones. Oh no, what is this? This is a, for this. It goes in here. Okay, take it for data, off the camera, get away from the camera. Move back, here. Take this for data, thank you. Yeah, that's that, and pretty much, yeah, this is unboxing the Samsung S10 5G. Here it is, guys.